Here is a demonstration of some of the VoxAid voice commands made available to you when working with Zotero in Microsoft Word. Wake up. Insert after prove your point. Insert citation. Move up 4. Move down 4. Click OK. List all windows. Choose 10. Click My Collection. Next field. Move down 2. Select source. Insert after fits your document. Add citation. Click My Collection. Next column. Move down 3. Select this title. Go to End of Document. Insert references. Select Finch. Choose 1. Edit citation. List all windows. Choose 10. Find the phrase critical procedure. Undo that. Find the word critical. Click My Collection. Next field. Select this source. Change Zotero style. Move down 6. Click OK. Go to sleep. With VoxAid the Dragon Professional add-on, you can perform your application features by dictating command phrases that actually relate to the software you are using.